Rũhonge rwa kũhũranĩra ihooto cia ũmũndũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩ rũreganĩte na riboti cia kuga atĩ nĩ kwĩrĩga kũrutwo mĩĩrĩ ĩngĩ mũgwanja rũũĩ-inĩ rwa Yala. Mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa rũhonge rũrũ Roslyn Odende augĩte mĩĩrĩ ĩtatũ tu harĩ ĩno mũgwanja no yarutĩtwo rũũĩ-inĩ rwa Yala hau kabere, nayo ĩngĩ ĩtano yumanĩte na maũndũ mangĩ ta mĩtino ya barabara.
It's very interesting because it's the same medical officer who confirms, yes, there are 7 unidentified bodies in the morgue. But he gave us a record and he signed it, where he states where each body came from and when he received them. And it actually shows that only 2 are from the River Yala. Only 3. Only 3 are from River Yala. 1 is the only one that's after March of the female, and the other 2 are part of the other lot because they were brought to the morgue on 27th of March 2022. And we have a certified letter from the same superintendent. Yes. We are told fingerprints were taken and sent to Nairobi for identification. We lament the slow process of identifying those fingerprints. It shouldn't be take over 3 months. And we have asked the county criminal investigation officer to reach out to his counterparts in Nairobi to ensure that this process comes to an end very, very soon in a timelessly manner, because there are definitely families out there who are still wondering where their kith and kin are.